These were Humberto Leal's last words.
He said, "I am sorry for everything that I have done. I've hurt a lot of people. For years, I have never thought that I deserved any type of forgiveness."
Hours before he died by lethal injection in a Texas prison, his family and friends in Mexico prayed for a last-minute postponement. Mexican authorities strongly condemned the execution, arguing that Leal, convicted of murder and rape, was never told he could get consular access from his native country. The case made it to the High Court of the United States, which denied a stay in the end. Even President Obama weighed in on the matter, arguing against the execution.
The Mexican authorities' plea to stop the execution of Humberto Leal has found echoes here in the streets of Mexico City, where the majority of people are firmly against the death penalty.
I think it would have been better if he'd been tried here. The sentence would have been less harsh.
Our constitution doesn't allow the death penalty, but if I put myself in the shoes of the victim's family, I would demand it too. If I put myself in the place of Leal's family, it could hurt me, but in the end, everyone gets what they deserve.
Analysts believe that an international law that requires prisoners to be given access to lawyers from their home country was ignored.
The state of Texas and the United States have executed hundreds of criminals, and it has not stopped the criminality of the United States.
No one will know if Leal's fate would have been different had he been provided counsel by Mexico. Some say he was not familiar with the U.S. justice system. 51 other Mexican nationals are in the same situation, on death row, awaiting execution. The prospect of getting their sentences commuted seems further away than ever. Mónica Villamizar, Al Jazeera, Mexico.
Well, Arturo Sarucan is the Mexican ambassador to the United States, and he says Leal's execution was illegal.
I think the United States is in violation of international law. It is in violation of the verdict and the decision made by the International Court of Justice. And it is something that I think violates the precepts for which all countries that are part of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations abide by.